Hey guys, and welcome back to a new YouTube video on my channel. As you guys know from the title of this video, I will be showing you guys my in-depth, step-by-step curly hair routine. And if you happen to be interested in any of these products that I'll be featuring in today's video, you can obviously scan the QR code right here, or you can copy the link down below. Also, if you found this video helpful in any way, please make sure you like and subscribe because that would mean so much to me. So yeah, anyways, let's get started. Okay, so the number one step I would tell anyone who wants to achieve the best type of curls for the rest of the week is to make sure you have a good hair wash day. I want to emphasize this again. I've been saying it in my previous video and all the time when people ask me, how do you achieve the best curls? It comes down to removing all the buildup that's been sitting on your hair follicle. Because if you don't remove any of the buildup, you're causing breakage and you're causing a bunch of different issues. So you don't want to have buildup if you want to achieve good curl. Personally, my scalp gets oily pretty fast, so I cannot wait like 5 to 10 days without washing my hair. Like I need to wash my hair like at least 3 times a week. And I'm not saying that this applies to everyone with curly hair, but if you also have a bunch of buildup in your hair, dandruff and things like that, you might need to consider washing your hair a little bit more often. And obviously using the correct hair products. Good shampoos, basically. I'm not gatekeeping anything, so I'm gonna show you guys all the shampoos that I use and switch through like continually. Like I kind of maybe switch between these because I found out my hair like doesn't like the same, like my scalp doesn't like the same type of shampoos like all the time. If you have a bunch of buildup in your hair, this is the greatest shampoo to use. I haven't used it too much because I just recently got it, but it really helps to, like, obviously as it says here, detox shampoo from Way. Perfect, removes any type of dandruff, oiliness, like it removes everything. Like I'm not even kidding. This is great if you like color your hair a lot and you just want to
like get a detox, or you know, it's been like a while since you washed your hair.
And this is great, y'all. Okay. Then I'm gonna go in with this Head and Shoulders. I'm gonna talk a little bit about why I use this. I kind of use this because I
struggle with a lot of dandruff and my hair gets very oily quickly, as I've said.
And it really helps to kind of like relax my scalp. It smells super good. It has all amazing ingredients, and you just leave this in your hair for like about 2 minutes to kind of like do the type of treatment that it needs to do in your hair. So it's not really like a professional hair product, really. It's just a regular type of shampoo. Now you guys might be wondering like,
what type of conditioners do you use?
Honestly, don't make it too complicated for yourself. Like you can find a bunch of different expensive conditioners and shampoos. Honestly, this is like my limit. Like don't go like too expensive if you're just new to the process of like actually like taking care of your curls. And then you can go in with this as well. Like this is great for keeping your curls soft and smooth. And especially if you have really thick hair, both of these are very helpful. And then for the conditioner part, I use this Pantene conditioner. I have really seen a lot of improvement from using this. It is specifically for curls, so I would say like get something close to this. And obviously I'm going to be having all my products in my link tree right here, so make sure you scan this QR code. Those were kind of it for all the shampoos and conditioners that I totally recommend. But now let's get into this craziness. Ooh, do you see how these curls are like so gorgeous? Yeah, super simple actually. Microfiber towel literally saved my hair. So I'm starting to just like spray my hair, make sure my curls look very like glossy, like as you can tell here compared to here. Yeah, so get water everywhere in your hair, because if you don't, you will cause frizz. To go in with this royal oils and just spray it on my parts of my hair where like it gets super bad. So I like to just go in and scrub, go like this. Don't scratch your scalp because you're gonna get your scalp is gonna like get very irritated. Okay, so one fun thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that I did start writing my own curly hair guide. So it's gonna be available on my Linktree, the same QR code and link that you guys access. I'm basically showing you exactly how you should take care of your hair, from shower to products to honestly everything. Like, this video is so much helpful. Like, I would have watched this video first before purchasing, because then you would kind of know the exact shampoos and like when I would use it and stuff. So okay guys, besides that, let's continue. Yeah, since I put all of those products in my hair started to dry a little, so I'm going in just a little bit with some water again. So now I'm going to show you guys this other defining curls custard. It's honestly so hard to see from the camera, but yeah, it's pretty much like this. And I pick some up like this much. It's kind of clear. I scrunch it in. I want to be pretty fast because I don't want to let this side become like too dry, so I go in on my scalp. Very important. And as you guys can tell, I section my hair into 2 sections and style one side at a time, and you just go in like this. I honestly want to like get a microphone because the sound is very bad in this bathroom. Like, we're just gonna go in like that, and obviously you could go a little bit more on the sides, like on the front, and just make sure that all the parts of your hair are covered in this. Another very important step is to style your side part, middle part before it dries, or else it's gonna get really crusty. So I take this section like so. This is how I like to have my hair when it's dry. Yeah, so when it dries, it's gonna dry like super cute, like a side part. Like, it's gonna be very like voluminous when it dries. So when my hair is basically like this, fully scrunched, make sure that you also like get the back as well. Scrunch it up. Make sure that every part of your hair has the product. You're gonna go in with some curly hair mousse. I really like using this from the Curl Talk. So we're gonna go in with the Curl Talk hair mousse, and I honestly love it because it gives my hair like very nice, like not very crisp curls, because it depends on like the type of soft touchable hold level that you're using, so it depends on like that. Okay, so we got this scrunched in obviously, and yeah, I always like flip my hair to one side so I could be able to grab the back and kind of just gently lift it and scrunch it. And then I do the same thing here. I lift it and scrunch, lift, scrunch. So I do have 2 different types of gels for this last step that I'll be doing. And I have this gel called Bedhead. Super good. Actually, like, I love how it creates like a hydrating cast on my hair because it's a hydrating like jelly oil, which is so like super good. We add it to the ends and a little bit here and there. It smells super natural. Like, it smells like some type of grapefruit smell. Now I'm gonna like let this dry a little bit, and then we're gonna go in with this oil to like unscrunch my hair, basically to unscrunch all of that like crustiness that's gonna happen because the gel basically dried. But honestly, I'm so excited for the results, and you guys should be too, because using these products are gonna be the best. Okay guys, so these are my curls after they dried. So they have like a little bit like of a gel cast, as you can tell. As you can tell, they're very stiff. So if I go like, yeah, now that I scrunched it out, obviously it's not gonna be as stiff, but yeah. Now what you're gonna want to do is go in with this hair oil. It smells amazing, as I said previously. So yeah, My hair is fully dry. I didn't even diffuse it. I honestly think that this is gonna like damage your hair, so I recommend to not diffuse your hair. So I just take a little bit like that and I rub it in my hands and then I start scrunching my hair like this. So I just kind of make sure I get the bottom and I fully like unscrunch it because it just leaves like a very like nice and good smelling curls. Like wow, like, this took me like 1 second. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Now I'm gonna like let this dry a little bit and then we're gonna go in with this oil to like unscrunch my hair, basically to unscrunch all of that like crustiness that's gonna happen because the gel basically dried. But honestly, I'm so excited for the results and you guys should be too because using these products are gonna be the best. So yeah, so this is like a very oh, it smells so good. Oh, I love it in my hair. I just love to put it in when my hair is completely like dried so I can like unscrunch my curls. You could also go in with it before if you kind of like want it like extra smooth like when it dries, but I personally like to put it in when my hair is fully dry so I can use the oil to really like grab onto like the gel and unscrunch it. But yeah, so let's get this hair dried and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so these are my curls after they dried. Obviously like I did my makeup. I did some fake freckles. Don't mind that. I don't know what I think about it. But yeah, so these are the curls. So they have like a little bit like of a gel cast, as you can tell if you yeah, as you can tell they're very stiff. So if I go like yeah, now that I scrunched it out, obviously it's not gonna be as stiff. But yeah, now what you're gonna want to do is go in with this hair oil. It smells amazing, as I said previously. So yeah, my hair is fully dry. I didn't even diffuse it. I honestly think that this is gonna like damage your hair, so I recommend to not diffuse your hair. So let's put some of these. So I just take a little bit like that and I rub it in my hands and then I start scrunching my hair like this. So I just kind of make sure I get the bottom and I fully like unscrunch it because it just leaves like a very like nice and good smelling curls. Like wow, like this took me like 1 second.